Welcome back, second graders. So your challenge was to find all the ways that you could possibly show 46 stickers using strips of 10s and 1s. And there are 5 possible combinations. So we're going to look at those to see if you were able to find all 5. But we're going to use our 10s, our cube of 10s, and our 1s. We're going to use cubes this time instead of our stickers. But notice that you can also use your 10s rods and your 1s cubes. Those are also things that you can use for these. So we're going to drag the cubes to the space to show the stickers using the 10s and 1s. So let's think about which of the ways that you found used the most strips of 10. Which ones used the most? So someone may have thought or said that using 4 strips of 10 or 4 sets of 10 would be the most sets of 10s. So let's look at that for just a minute. We know we have 46 stickers altogether. So why could we not use 5? Why could we not use 5 sets of 10s here, or 5 10 cubes? Right, because if we used 5, that would give us the number 50, which would be too many cubes. We have 46, so we would have to take some away because this would give us 50. So 4 is actually the highest number of cubes that we could start with. So 4 strips of 10 stickers makes 40 stickers. If we add now 6 single 1s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We now have one of the combinations that shows 46 stickers. So let's record that information on our chart. So we have 4 strips of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I apologize guys, I'm trying to do this as neatly as possible, and then we have 6 singles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be written as 4 10s and 6 1s. And the equation for that would be 40 plus 6 equals 46. So that would be the first way that we could show that. So let's look back and see if we can find another way. Since we've started at the top with 4 10s, let's work down from there. Let's see if we can now go down to 3 strips, just like we did in the other problem. So if we start with 10, 20, 30, and we're now going to count up until we get to 46 using our 1s. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and 46. So we now have 46 cubes. So our totals here would be 3 strips of 10 and 16 singles. Let's count those just to make sure. We've got them in rows of 5, so it's easier to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, and one more makes 16. So this time, we're going to add 3 strips of 10 and 16 singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So this time we are going to show an equation of 3 10s and 16 1s. Move this down here. And our equation is going to show 30 plus 16 equals 46. Okay, let's move on to the next way. Now we've worked with sets of 3 10s. Let's see if we can go down one more and try it with 2 10s. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So now we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 plus one more gives us 46. So when we fill our chart out with that, again, we're going to have 2 sets of 10, 2 strips of 10, and then our single stickers, which would be 16 more of those. And 1, 2, 3, oops, that's not working so well for me. So let's just move on over here to this. We will show 3 2 10s and 26 1s. And that equation would look like 20 plus 26 equals 46. So we will move this down. Now, you should have also found 2 other options. You should have found 2 other solutions to this problem. One of them, if we started with the 2 10s the last time, we'll start with 1 10 this time. So we should have 1 10 and 36 1s. That's one way you could show the answer. That equation would look as 10 plus 36 equals 46. And then I want you to think about this last one. How could we do the last one? If we've done 4 10s, 3 10s, 2 10s, 1 10s, let's say we have no 10s. How could we show that? Think about that for just a minute. We could show 0 strips of 10 and 46 singles. So 0 10s and 46 1s. 0 tens, and 46 ones. So if we showed that as an equation, it of course would show 0 plus 46 equals 46. So this should have been all of the ways that you found, all the combinations that you found to make 46 stickers. So do we have them all? Do we have all the combinations? And how do you know that? What is something you notice when you look at these lists? Now notice Miss Hickman did not finish filling out the strips and the singles just because it was a little bit hard on the computer, but we've got them all filled in here on the chart. So what do you notice? Do you notice that the number of strips and the number of tens get smaller each time? They go down by 1. So 4 tens, 3 tens, 2 tens, and so on. There is 1 less strip or 10 in each row, and then 10 more singles than the one before. You notice that. So 4 tens and 3 tens goes down by 1. However, your 6 ones and your 16 ones go up by 10 more each time that you go down. Do you also notice that the singles and the ones all end in 6? They all end in 6 because we had those 6 singles. So every combination shows us a way to make 46. They're all equivalent or the same. 46 equals, let's see if Miss Hickman can write over here. 46 equals 40 plus 6. 46 equals 30 plus 16. 46 equals, or is the same as 20 plus 26. 46 equals 10 plus 36. And 46 equals 0 plus 46. So all of these equations are equivalent or the same. Good work, second graders.